Here's how to insert a new sheet in your Excel file. But before we start, please consider subscribe to our channel and liking the video. Let's follow my steps. When you create new file in your Excel, you already have one worksheet. Now, if you wanna add a new sheet, you can just tap on this plus button. Once you click here, as you can see, a new worksheet has been created. And now I'm gonna show you another way to create a new worksheet. Do right click on this sheet and just click insert. You can click on home button at the top right corner, and here you can find at the top right corner midway insert button, and just click it, and here you can choose and in the drop down menu you can click insert sheet, and if you click here your worksheet is created. Now let's learn shortcuts for create new worksheet. Just click Alt Shift F1 and as you can see your sheet is created. Another Shift F11. Okay, your worksheet has been created. And last one, Alt H-I-S. After that, your worksheet has been created. So that's nice, but all of these methods can make only one worksheet. And now I'm gonna show you how to create multiple sheets. Let's launch developer button at the very top. If you don't have this button, you can click on this video and check it. Once you have added your developer button, you can click on it. And once you're here, you can click Visual Basic. And once you're here, you can find immediate, and here just type in sheets.add space count. Now you'll have to write how many worksheets you want to create. For example, I want to create 10 worksheets. And if I press enter, you can see at the left side worksheets has been created. I hope it helps. You can watch this new video or this playlist about Excel. See you next time!